G'day guys, so I had a question last night on a video and I thought it was a pertinent one, so I thought I'd make a video response. Do I use fume extraction or something like that? Well, I used to. My fume extractor broke. A little Hacko thing or something, I don't know what the name of it was, but I think it was a cheap knockoff, but still it got rid of the fumes and stuff like that. And then after that broke, you see this little Ryobi fan just to suck the fumes away from me. But I thought I'd take that one step further today. I've had one of these bathroom fans, little fans that sit in there and suck the air out. I thought, why can't I make use of that? So, quick trip up to Masters, Bunnings, hardware store. 100mm thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's a thing. I got some of that. 100mm ducting. 100mm ducting. The plan is a simple one. That goes in there. That goes down to wherever I'm working and can suck out the dust. Cheap plastic cover. Get that. Cut a hole. That big, obviously, 100mm. Then all I'm going to do is just cut this. Get a pair of tin snips and make a 10, 15, 20 cuts all the way around. Slide it in. I'll actually probably go that way so it'll come up from underneath. And then it'll come through. Fold it back over. And I'll put this silver tape. Tape it all around, seal it up. Snap the ring back onto it in the roof and away it goes. What do you reckon about that? Up there, I've already got it set up. Let's have a look, see if I can... Got the roof vents. What do they call them? Whirly birds? So they're already there, so the holes are already there. So I just put the fan up into it, run a power cable to it, and done. Well, that was stupid. This needs to be on the outside. Don't! Start again. Better. Okay, so this is the basic principle of what I was hoping to achieve. It goes there. The basic principle, that goes on there like that. Got an exhaust fume, hood, vent thing. There guys, it's all working. Sucks it straight up there. Might need just a little bit of refining. It's a bit rough and ready, and I'm probably going to have to throw some Tech screws or something in up the top to hold it. It doesn't look there. It doesn't look very well held up there. It's not used to having 300-400 grams of extra weight on it, I guess. Well, plus the tin, so probably almost half a kilo. So what do you reckon? That'll make me soldering a bit safer. It's got to be a bit safer. Anyways, I'm out of here. Having done that twice, because I put it upside down. Bad thing, but anyway, it doesn't matter. On upwards, some more soldering. Cheers, guys.